1, 2, 3. 1 to go.
We put in plenty of fuel to finish the race.
Alright, bud. We'll be starting on the inside. Pit road is closed. Alright, Earl, all on you. Smash that gas pedal today, boss man. Let's do it. We're ready to go. Pace car's off. Be ready. Green flag. Outside. Clear. Working the bottom. Caution's out. Cool your stuff. Clear your head. The road is closed. You're gonna have to come around the pace car. Looks like you should be lining up behind this 5. Road is open.
Start looking for your sign. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop on the sign.
Go, man, go, 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 go. Clear road speed. Get behind the 69. Oh, well, it looks like we're going. Good line up on the outside. One minute 22.19. All right, spotter, get right here, buddy. I'm on it. All right, man, pace car's off. Everybody be on the tote. Green. Pedro, let's get these bitches out of the way, man. 10-4. Inside, inside. 1 minute 16.144. Still on your inside. Still there. 20 laps to go. This time by. Quarter inside. 2 inside. In and out. Earl, weed them through there. Roger. 1-1. Inside. Clear. 35.958. Inside. Clear low. Inside. Still there, still there. Still there. Clear. Inside. Clear inside. Inside. Still inside. Too wide inside. Same thing. 1 inside. 34.575. Still there. Still there. Still inside. Still with you inside. Slowing on the bottom. Too wide inside. Still there. 1-1. Clear. Outside. All clear. 33.499. Outside. You're clear. Outside. I'll have to say the competition has been mighty cordial today. Still outside, working the bottom inside. Still inside. Inside only, 32.887. Doing good. Be nice and smooth. You'll get back up there. Pick them off one at a time. Clear. Working the top. Come out of the way, Earl. Standing right next to him, bud. Already told him twice. And clear. Too wide outside. One outside now. Still outside. Clear. Outside. Clear hand. 32.841. Outside. Still out there at your door. 32.591. Still outside. Clear. Outside. You're clear, clear. Outside. Still there. Clear high. .718. Good job, man. Work that thing around. Outside. Clear.
The water temp is getting high. The water temp is getting high.
Inside. Still inside, even up, clear.
The water temp is getting high.
Outside. Clear high. Outside. Still out there at your quarter. Still outside. Clear him. .993. Looks like doing a great job. Great job, man. Time to go. Inside. Still inside. Still there. Inside. 33.146. Still inside. Still inside. Clear. Inside. Clear if you need it. Inside. Still inside. You're clear. 33.683.
The water temp is getting high.
Let's roll, brother. That's what I like, man. You get that nose dirty up there.
The water temp is getting high.
Outside. 33.219. Still outside.
The water temp is getting high.
Still outside on your quarter. Clear hand. dude. That was by far and above the fastest lap we've run in a while. Five to go this time. Outside. Clear. Outside. Clear. Keep after, man. I keep telling them. I'm working up here. 33.388. Should be 2 more laps. Outside. You're clear. White flag. 1 more lap. 33.311. Outside, 2 wide outside, 1 outside.
The water temp is getting high.
Clear high, outside. Get that fucker out of the way. Tell him to keep on going or move. I'm on it. You're clear. That's it. That's awesome, fellas. Man, ratings are going skyrocketing. Guys, that was just awesome. Really good job, man. Sorry. See, I was so happy I don't even know. We're going to be down at pit stall 23. Oh. You over there at 23, Johnny? Yeah, we're standing here. Come on down here. I know. You're just the bubble we are in. Watch it, dude. Alright? Watch it, dude. Alright? Get black flag. Hold tight.
The water temp is getting high.